Hello, how are you doing? I trust you're well. It's a beautiful day. So yesterday it was a long day. Like I got so tired. I was so exhausted. I left my village house late at night. I got to my rental house in town at around 10 p.m. Worked on dinner and then decided to rest a little bit, do some little office work from home. And then, so today I just got to my village house and it's in the evening. So, yeah, I came today late. I decided to just take a little rest from my other house and just come here today in the evening just to see the progress. So, it's around 6 p.m. So, I just want to see how the work is going on. We are trying to really work as hard, as fast as possible without compromising on the standard of work that we want to have. So we are we are time bad. The time is just ticking so fast. Time is just ticking so fast, but I'm glad you could join. So let's see the progress of day 2. We get to see whether the tiling work, we had to work on the pantry and the kitchen. We see how far they have done that, and also we get to see how far they've worked on the gypsum ceiling installation. Like my eyes still a little bit red from exhaustion, not getting enough sleep, but we'll rest in due time. We'll rest in due time. Otherwise, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and join the family. It will be so good to have you on board. So let's get to see the progress. Yeah, we're progressing on well, slowly but surely. So, yeah, we finished the dining, and here the kitchen, almost done. We've run out of tiles, have to get more tiles, and of course the pantry is done. The pantry is done. It's late in the evening, but I have to do this quick video. So I still have to get more tiles for this place. Yeah, ran out. So the cabinets, the worktop and the bottom cabinets will be here. Ooh. And of course the top cabinets will be there. And yes, so here the kitchen, it's almost done because I want the cabinets carpenter to come and do the fittings for this space. So what do you think? How is the kitchen coming out? So we've also managed to fix this baby over here. So I come from, not me, I don't say, my hubby, he comes from the Nyonyi clan. The Nyonyi clan or the Bird clan. I don't know the name of Nyonyi, Kanyoni, 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 something. Yeah, so he comes from the Nyonyi clan. And so he literally decided to take his clan's totem or his clan's symbol, literally. And so, yeah, so we are a bird family. We love birds. Or I am married into the birds family or the birds clan. So, yeah, that's the inspiration behind this light fixture over here. So we have this light fixture at the back porch. So yeah, these are some of the things that have happened. We still have to paint this ceiling over here. We have to paint it rough and tough. Let me show you how they have done the front part of it so that you have a rough idea how it's supposed to look like. So yes, this is how it looks like, the front part of it. You see the Ugandans love ceiling, we just painted the rough and tough, and that's how it came out. I'm not sure if you can see the grains. We used the 2mm stone. So yeah, so that is how it turned out. Oh my goodness, this ceiling is so high. Let me try zoom in. So that's how that part looks like, and it's what we want to do at the back side. Yeah, so yes, and we have this monkey that ushers you in here. I think we love animals in this home. So for this front part, we got the monkey. We got the monkey for the front part. And what else do I need to show you? Yes, the door came out great. The door came out great. The door came out beautifully, 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 beautifully. What do you think? Giant door looks so nice. So we have the handle. We have a smart lock over here. This is the smart lock. So let me just close it and show you how it opens. So I've already set it. So I just have to, put my fingerprint and it opens. So yeah, so supposing I don't have the key, it is locked, and I don't put my fingerprint there, and I try to open, unless somebody opens for me from the inside, the door will not open. The other feature on this door is this. I had explained how this works. So this is the other part of the stopper. So we have this part here, and we have this other one right on this wall. So let me just show you how it works. Yeah, so just a quick demonstration. So you come, you open your door, it unlocks, you pull, and then when you close, you see it sticks, it doesn't bang on the wall. Yeah, so so that's how it works. It holds on. I can't even get a clear view, but it holds on that point. That's how it holds. Yes. So this is how the lobby turned out. This is how the lobby turned out. It's still a little bit dirty, but it turned out quite okay. I have a sensor light. I had 3 over here. So this is one. It's actually looking quite good. So we are yet to do the skirting. We are yet to do the skirting on this. We are yet to do the skirting. So those are some of the things that are remaining. So this is the other sensor light. You're going to see as I approach, it turns on. So yeah. This space is almost done. This is the progress for today. Day 2. Great progress. Hey. Yeah, when you see me approaching, you have to run and hide. Yeah, progress for day 2. Oh, nice. So ndio ulikuwa unapaka rangi? Nimeshangaa tena ama nimekuconfuse. Mnaendelea poa. Mnaendelea sambamba. Mtamaliza soon. So this is the big bedroom, the boys' bedroom, and so here we are yet to get the light fixture for it. And so yeah, that's how far the gypsum is. So we're not going to add any other thing. We just decided to use the gypsum on the sides, and then we'll be adding the cornice. Sorry, we'll be adding the cornice, and then here in the middle, in the slab, we'll just replicate the design on the design at the entry porch and the back porch. So here on this slab, we'll just be painting. We'll just be painting rough and tough. We'll just be doing rough and tough so that you can have something textured and maintain our initial plan, which was to have the Ugandan slab ceiling. So the gypsum is just to add a little bit of touch here and there, but the key feature, which is the Ugandan slab ceiling, will remain. So the concrete slab is there, just painting it, and of course adding some downlighters here and there. And yeah, that's the space for the curtains. Yeah, that's the space for the curtain. It will look slightly hidden or hidden. I hope it will be hidden. Yeah, that's how it is. There comes a time in construction. So there comes a time in construction you just feel overwhelmed. You feel so tired, you feel so drained, and that's the point we are in. And so initially I wanted to put rails in my windows. I wanted to put rails that maybe in the future I would motorize them. But right now, so drained, so tired, I just want to move into the house. And those things happen. I just want to move into the house. And so by this weekend, I want to move into the house by this weekend. So yeah, so you just got to do what you got to do. So looked for an alternative and decided to do the curtain rods. I decided to do the rods instead of having the rails. So yeah, that's it. But either way, it's still gonna look good. So it's still gonna look good. Still gonna look good. Yeah. So I think that's about it. The other thing that has happened, we fixed the wall brackets outside. Let me just show you how they turned out. So let's see how these lines turned out. Let me just show you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. I love how these outside lights turned out. Quite nice. Quite nice. Unfortunately, we may have to remove them when we shall be doing the wall cladding for this particular column. Yes, so look at that. Oh, it makes a beautiful, beautiful shape. So yeah, let me just stand from here so that you get to see it. Yes, we are working so late at night. We are working late into the night. It's almost 7. We only have one day left. One day left. If all goes well, by God's grace, we'll be moving in. If all goes well, we'll be moving in. Yeah, so those are the lights. That's the primary bedroom window. So that's how that turned out. And then we have another set over here. So yeah, beautiful, right? Beautiful, amazing. You can see how it just reflects and how it illuminates the TNG ceiling over there and the arch. So nice, so nice, so nice, so nice, so nice. Yeah, let's see what will happen tomorrow. The painter is here. The painter has come to resume the work. So hopefully, okay, come mama, we'll be painting this part. Yes? You want to go to the washroom? Okay, let me take you. Okay? So let's call it a day. That's it for today. It's been beautiful to have you around. Thank you. Great progress. See you on the next one. Bye bye.